Do you know what's the most overlooked problem self-taught engineers come across? It's loudness and actual peak level. You see, you turn things up to red, but the sound still doesn't sound as loud as commercial records. Then you compress a lot of it and limit a lot of it until it sounds as loud as commercial records, but then the dynamics get completely destroyed. As you might know from school, energy isn't created or destroyed, it's just transformed, and that's what this plugin is about. Let's see, the user manual says the 600 ohm 1-to-1 winding transformer and surrounding circuitry adds low-end harmonic content and a favorable slide top end phase shift to the sound. That means it's compressing. Now, it is compressing, but you don't hear compression at all. It is a transformer, it's just an electronic component, but it's been so cleverly designed by SSL that it can actually turn that excessive energy in the low end into something sonically that can be considered an improvement. Two other things that are a product of this transformation of energy are a high-end shift translated into a high-end boost introduced by the circuit of the transformer, and in the case of the plugin version can be diminished or maximized beyond its original boundaries, and a low frequency cut that occurs as you increase the amount of transformation. It's a low cut that happens around 30-40 Hz, and it's not really very audible, but it can be undesirable in some cases, so you can turn it down. So how could you take advantage of all this in a real life situation? My friend Rainer, who is a regarded engineer from New York, will show you how he transformed the excessive energy in the printed bits he gets into something he can work with after.
So I got Transformer by SSL. I have this session here that I mixed a while back, so let's listen to the rough mix. Extremely loud, and I had to use clip gain to bring it down. So I have this on my main bus, my sum bus, and these are the settings. For the most part, I keep everything at its default setting. The only thing that I adjusted was the amount. The client had the rough mix for a really long time before they purchased the multi-tracks. One of the things that they wanted me to keep was that low end. Now I'm using Transformer to kind of control that low end a little bit. I'm gonna play it for you one last time, with and without.